Welcome back, girlies! As you all know, I am a housewife. One afternoon, I was so tired, my head hurt, my back hurt, and my tea got cold before I could even drink it. I looked at myself and asked, am I enjoying life or just working all day? I love my family, but I learned one important thing. A happy mother makes a happy family. First, I stopped trying to do everything perfectly. The laundry can wait, it's not going anywhere. The world isn't going to end if the dishes stay in the sink, the toys cover the floor, and the dust is still on the table for an extra day. So, dear girlies, before you rush into a mountain of chores today, come grab your favorite cup of tea and sit with me. I will tell you how to make your day easy, how to make it relaxing, and make it truly enjoyable. Let's start with a nice cup of tea. Now, let me show you how I manage my day without feeling overwhelmed. Instead of doing everything at once, I break my housework down into tiny, easy steps. My morning routine starts with a quick 15-minute reset. As soon as my husband and the kids head out, I set a timer for 15 minutes. I quickly clear the table. Doing it fast keeps me focused and prevents me from getting tired. And I always sip my tea along the way. So chores never feel boring. While I sip my tea, I quickly dust the shelves and tidy up the living room. Just a few minutes of light cleaning here and everything looking fresh without any stress. Now it's finally time to put my feet up, grab the remote, and enjoy a quiet, cozy moment all to myself. This is exactly what I needed. Remember, taking time for yourself is a necessity, not a luxury. You deserve a quiet moment to rest, recharge, and enjoy your day without any guilt. After a wonderful, refreshing rest, it's time to head into the kitchen and lovingly prepare a healthy, delicious lunch for the family. Today, I am making a healthy, crisp garden salad with juicy tomatoes, warm artisan bread, and a delicious steaming soup on the stove. Try to make lunchtime a screen-free, peaceful break for yourself. Stepping away from your phone and chores allows your mind to truly rest and digest in peace. Dear girlies! Listen to a favorite podcast or audiobook while you cook. It keeps your mind engaged and makes the chores easy and effortless. How do you manage your busy days? Let me know your favorite tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy moments, and I'll see you in the next video.